in the grip of World War II, amidst the terrifying rise of anti-Semitism, Nazi oppression, the Frank family sought refuge in a hidden attic in Amsterdam. This diary, penned by the young Anne Frank, became a profound testament to resilience in the face of unimaginable fear and persecution. As the Nazis tightened their grip, stripping away the rights and dignity of Jewish people, the Franks were compelled to disappear. Anne's diary begins with the story of this drastic decision, marking the start of a life in hiding, fraught with danger and uncertainty. Confined within the narrow walls of the secret annex, Anne and her companions face the daily ordeal of living in silence and fear. The diary captures the emotional toll of this claustrophobic existence, a life of perpetual anxiety, interrupted only by fleeting moments of hope and companionship. Trapped in the annex, Anne's diary chronicles her transformation from a carefree child to a thoughtful young woman. Her writings reflect a maturing perspective on love, fear, and the injustices of the world, a poignant testament to her emotional and intellectual growth under extraordinary circumstances. Anne's words provide a stark contrast to the brutal reality of the outside world. As the horrors of the Holocaust unfolded beyond their hidden walls, the diary became a refuge, a place where Anne could express her fears and hopes in a world consumed by war and hatred. The diary ends abruptly in August 1944, with the annex's discovery and the arrest of its occupants. This sudden silence speaks volumes, leaving behind a legacy that transcends the pages of a diary, a voice that continues to speak for millions, silenced by the Holocaust. Key point of reflection 1. Even in the darkest times, hope and empathy are our most powerful weapons. Key point of reflection 2. The human spirit, as embodied by Anne, can endure and shine, even under the most oppressive circumstances. Her diary is a call to remember and a beacon for a more just and compassionate world. The Diary of Anne Frank is not just a historical document, it's a journey into the heart of a young girl who faced the horrors of the Holocaust with a courage and clarity that continues to inspire. It's a reminder of the enduring power of hope and the necessity of remembrance,